If your Cricket Wireless account is locked, there are several common reasons and specific solutions for each situation. Let's explore the three main scenarios you might encounter. The first scenario is when you've forgotten your account PIN. This security feature protects your account from unauthorized changes, but if you can't remember it, you'll need help from Cricket support. To reset a forgotten PIN, you must contact Cricket Wireless customer support. You can reach them through online chat on their website or by calling 1-800-CRICKET, which is 1-800-274-2538. The second scenario involves the account lock security feature. This feature prevents unauthorized SIM swaps and number port outs, but it can also lock you out of certain account functions. To disable account lock, open the MyCricket app and navigate to Settings, then Security. Toggle the account lock feature off. You'll receive a one-time PIN via text message to verify this change. The third scenario is when you've forgotten your username. Your username is a unique identifier you chose when setting up your account, and it's required for signing in. To recover your forgotten username, sign in to the Cricket website or MyCricket app and click Forgot Username. Enter your Cricket phone number and you'll receive a text message with your username if the information is correct. These three solutions cover the most common reasons for Cricket Wireless account lockouts. Remember that customer support is always available if you need additional assistance with any account security issues. Cricket Wireless device unlocking depends on your specific device type. The process varies between iPhones, Android devices, and newer Cricket branded phones. For iPhone users, Cricket provides an online unlocking option. You can visit the Cricket website and use their web-based unlock service to unlock your iPhone device. Android device owners should use the MyCricket app for unlocking. The app provides a step-by-step process that guides you through device verification and unlocking confirmation. For Motorola and Cricket branded devices launched in 2025 or later, there's a dedicated Cricket device unlock app specifically designed for these newer models. To protect your Cricket account, enable the Account PIN Security feature. This adds an extra layer of protection, requiring your PIN for important account changes. Follow security best practices by being cautious of suspicious links or requests. Keep your account information secure and never share your PIN with unauthorized parties. If you encounter issues with device unlocking or account security, contact Cricket customer support for assistance. For unresolved issues, you can file a complaint with the Federal Communications Commission.